a lot about children and aspirations this morning, but my next guest certainly has achieved hers. Lilly-Ann Bedder from Burbage works for Holovis, who transforms sensory experiences in themed entertainment, visitor attractions and enterprise. And Lily has designed a virtual LEGO factory tour at Legoland, New York, which is opening in 2021. Good morning, Lilly-Ann. How are you?
Hello, good morning. I'm good, thank you.
I love the fact you're doing this from your home in Burbage, and yet this is for a massive big company based in New York, opening next year. So what is it that you've created?
So Holovis has actually worked on creating an indoor ride opening at Legoland, New York next year, and it will be the first ride of its kind, I suppose. We'll be kind of taking guests and visitors on a whirlwind tour of a Lego factory led by Professor Brick, and he's going to turn guests into Lego minifigures.
That is phenomenal. I mean, how does somebody who's living at home in Burbage in Leicestershire end up getting a job working for a company like that in New York?
I've just been very fortunate, really. So I'm originally from Burbage in the Midlands. I studied here, and then I went off to university and I studied theatre design. And then I was very fortunate. I was offered a work placement working with Merlin Entertainment, and then I joined them permanently. So I worked with them for 6 years, and I was part of Merlin Magic Making, which is their creative division. So I worked on projects at Alton Towers, Warwick Castle, Thorpe Park, as well as Legoland parks all over the world, really. And then I joined Holovis last year because I wanted to explore the more tech side of the themed entertainment industry. So I've just been very fortunate, really. I've just had a lot of good experiences handed to me, and I've just managed to get some very exciting projects throughout my career.
And growing up, did you always want to work in design, Lily?
I did, yeah. I mean, the theme park was a complete accident. I didn't set out to be a theme park designer. I won my work placement through a competition with Merlin. So it was never really the plan, but it turned out to be really, really, really good for me, and very, very different to what I ever thought I'd end up doing.
So are you called a theme park designer or a ride imagineer? What's your official title, Lilly-Ann?
So with Holovis, I am a creative consultant, which can mean lots of different things. When we're working on themed entertainment projects, it basically means that I will consult with everybody within our team to ensure that that creative vision is met. So right from the very idea, whatever that might be, and then once that is kind of approved, it goes through into the next phases of design. And then my job is to essentially work with everybody within the team, so engineers, software developers, project managers, to ensure that that project is then realised and delivered.
So how long have you worked for Holovis? They're in Hinckley, aren't they?
Yeah, so I've only worked with them for a year. I joined them last year. And yes, they've just moved into a new headquarters in Hinckley. So they're originally based in Lutterworth. So we're very proud to be a Midlands-based company working on such exciting projects all over the world. But yeah, I only joined them last year.
And what else does the company do?
So we do lots of different things. So really we look at anything from an AV solution. So that might be a simulator for a university, right through to the themed entertainment world, where we work a lot with theme parks and a lot of dark ride experiences.
Well, it's lovely to talk to you. Congratulations, Lilly-Ann Bedder from Burbage, working on this virtual LEGO factory tour opening in New York next year.